Welcome to this demonstration of Lighthouse Business Management System's Locations Overview tab. This demonstration will show you how and what the Location Overview tab does. This is a great tool to use when your business has multiple locations with Shift4 payments. Here, you will be able to view a specific location's monthly statements, notices, Form 1099-K, and past 7 days of batches. On the right-hand side, you will also be able to view your labor percentage of the day and data for how many open and closed tickets you have. This will be a central place for all important data used to keep your business running smoothly. To begin, once you have logged into Lighthouse BMS with your username and password, you will be able to select which location you would like to be displayed on the dashboard. To choose a different location, select Change Location at the top left-hand corner of the screen. If you do not have more than one location, then simply logging in will automatically bring up your business locations dashboard. To view a locations overview, select the Location Overview tab. Let's start with the Monthly Statements section. Here, you will be able to select the green View Statements button. To the right, you'll be able to select the month or year of the statement that you would like to view. Once the View Statement button is selected, you will be brought to another tab in your web browser that will display that specific merchant statement. Here, you can either print or download the statement for your records. The next section we'll go over is the Notices section. This section is meant to keep merchants informed about any new products, product updates, or rate changes. Here, you will be able to select the month and year to view any notices that were sent out with your merchant statement. You may notice that some months are grayed out. This means that there were no notices sent out for that particular month. Next is the Form 1099-K section. Once tax season comes around, you will be able to easily locate and download or print your business's tax forms here. Underneath the Form 1099-K section will be the past 7 days of batches. This section will show you a bar graph that allows you to see your last 7 days of transactions and batches that went through on those specific days. Now we'll take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. Here you will see your labor percentage for the most recent day and time. It will display net sales, total pay, and labor percentage. Below that, you'll find the amount of open tickets that you have for the day and the total number in receipts that occurred as well. Lastly on this page is the Closed Tickets box at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Here you will be able to select the amount of closed tickets that have been counted for the day and the total number in closed receipts that you have received at that location. Thank you for watching this training of the Locations Overview tab.